Elite Auto Hub welcomes you to another deep dive review. And today we're exploring something that feels like the future of American luxury travel. This is the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a flagship creation that brings the brand's iconic craftsmanship to the world of mobile living. From its bold exterior presence to the ultra-premium interior experience, every inch of this motorhome reflects Cadillac's vision of taking first-class comfort wherever the road leads. If you've ever imagined what it feels like to drive a luxury hotel suite on wheels, stay with us, because this new model is built to redefine that dream. The first thing you notice is the exterior, standing tall with a commanding presence and the distinct Cadillac identity. The front fascia carries the brand's signature vertical lighting, crafted with crisp LED beams that cut through the night with a futuristic glow. The large grille is clean, modern, and shaped to maximize airflow, giving the motorhome a premium stance on the highway. Sleek body lines run along the sides, sculpted not just for beauty, but to improve aerodynamics, reducing drag and helping the motorhome glide smoothly even at high cruising speeds. Cadillac has integrated retractable steps, flush-mounted windows, and chrome accent trims that catch the sunlight as you move, giving it an upscale yacht-like appearance. The power-operated awning, the roof-mounted solar panel array, and the custom alloy wheels complete a design that blends elegance with purposeful engineering, making it stand out in crowded campgrounds and luxury RV resorts. Step inside and the world becomes completely different, like entering a luxury penthouse suite. Cadillac focused on creating a peaceful, modern, tech-centered environment. Soft touch leather, handcrafted stitching, and open-pore wood details create a warm, relaxing atmosphere. The lighting adjusts automatically to mood and time of day, thanks to a full-suite ambience system that wraps softly around the cabin. The living area features premium captain chairs that swivel, recline, and massage, all wrapped in ventilated leather. A large smart display sits at the heart of the room, offering streaming, navigation, mobile control, and full integration with Cadillac's connected ecosystem. The kitchen turns the idea of cooking on the road into a luxury experience. It includes a slim-profile induction cooktop, a deep stainless steel sink, a full-height smart refrigerator, and a convection oven that doubles as an air fryer. Storage is smooth and silent, thanks to soft close cabinetry. Quartz countertops bring the feel of high-end condo living, while LED task lighting gives a perfect touch for late-night meals or early morning coffee. Moving to the bedroom area, Cadillac crafted an oasis of calm. There's a king-size memory foam bed with adjustable firmness, climate-smart fabrics, and dual-zone comfort controls. The walls are treated with acoustic layering that blocks outside noise, allowing you to sleep comfortably anywhere. Surround sound speakers are hidden seamlessly into the design, creating an audio bubble that enhances movies, meditation tracks, or simple background ambiance. Large windows with electric. Blackout shades give you the freedom to enjoy the morning, sun, or create complete darkness. There's also built-in wardrobe storage, premium lighting accents, and under-bed compartments for extra luggage. The bathroom feels like a spa. Cadillac introduced a rainfall shower with temperature presets, an eco-efficient water recycling system, and luxury porcelain fixtures. The backlit mirror, matte stone countertop, and heated flooring come together to elevate the experience far beyond a typical motorhome setup. Every detail has been tuned to bring home-level comfort on the road, blending efficiency with luxury in a way Cadillac has rarely explored before. Now let's talk performance. Because a motorhome, this premium must be powered by engineering that ensures softness, safety, and strength on long-distance travel. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is built on an advanced high-torque chassis with a hybrid powertrain. It combines a V8 petrol engine with electric assist motors that reduce fuel consumption and boost acceleration. The motorhome delivers smooth torque throughout the drive, making uphill climbs feel effortless. Regenerative braking stores energy back into the battery system, while multiple drive modes adjust suspension stiffness, steering precision, and power distribution depending on the terrain. Cadillac's Magna-Ride suspension brings silky, smooth ride quality, absorbing bumps and rough surfaces with ease. On highways, it feels planted and confident, offering limousine-like stability even at higher speeds. The driver cockpit is fitted with a panoramic augmented reality display, advanced lane assistance, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and an AI-based safety suite that learns your driving style and adjusts accordingly. Cadillac also integrated a powerful battery system for off-grid stays. It supports extended hours of climate control, entertainment, appliance usage, and lighting without relying on external hookups. Solar panels on the roof keep the system charged, giving more freedom for remote travel. Finally, pricing. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome enters the luxury RV market at a starting price around $3,000 to $80,000, with fully loaded premium packages pushing it closer to $500,000 depending on customization. This includes upgraded interior themes, advanced solar expansion, premium entertainment options, and enhanced autonomy driving features. It's a serious investment, but it reflects Cadillac's mission to create a rolling luxury residence that elevates road travel like never before. At Elite Auto Hub, we believe the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It's freedom, comfort, and technology blended into one unforgettable moving masterpiece. If you're dreaming of traveling with unmatched style, this may be the future you've been waiting for.